to cook now because it's so tempting. Okay, let's cook. Let's see what inside. What? There's nothing here. How am I supposed to cook? I'm too lazy to go out now. Okay. Okay, groceries delivery service. Okay, they provide grocery deliveries. Okay, alright. So I want to DM. Hi, I want groceries. Groceries. Okay, done. I want chicken. I want curry powder. Okay. Alright, done. Let's wait. Hello, Assalamualaikum. Groceries delivery service. Ini barang encik yang encik kirim tu ya.
Okey, terima kasih banyak.
Okay, happy cooking.
Let's start the process of using groceries delivery service. First, customer can go to our Instagram account, Twitter account, or Facebook page and click the link WhatsApp to chat with our GDS customer service. After click the link, our customer service will request info that needed. For example, name, address, order item, and others information. Then, our customer service will also inform that customer needs to pay 40 ringgit as a deposit to proceed the service. After customer pay the deposit and send the receipt of payment, our runner will go to buy a groceries item at the supermarket. For example, Tesco. We will ensure that our customer will receive a fresh and correct groceries item that have been ordered. Then, our runner will send all the order items in front of your door using a motorcycle.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Groceries delivery service. Ini barang encik yang encik kirim tu ya. Okay,
Then,
happy
after
cooking.
customer receive all the order item, they can make a payment through online or cash. Then they need to inform back our customer service that already received a groceries, make a full payment and receive the refund of the deposit.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Nazar Tafrina. So I'll present about first technique that we use, which is SWOT analysis. So for strength of grocery delivery service is we offer reasonable price to our customers since we are new in the market and we need to attract our customer. We buy fresh food to our customer and our customer can make a payment either by cash or online transfer, and they will make a payment after they receive the item from us. For weaknesses, since we are new in the market, so we need to compete with our existing competitors such as Happy Fresh, Grocer Express, Bungkus Eat and so on. Besides, for the customer that enjoy grocery shopping by themselves, they might afraid to use our services since they afraid that we will buy the product that not meet their demand and not fresh. As for opportunity, since we are operated in Shah Alam, which is the busiest city, so they will give us the opportunities to provide grocery services delivery, and we will help our customer to buy the everyday item and save their time to go visit a convenience supermarket, especially for people who have less time to go for shopping, students, housewife, and so on. And lastly, for the trade, they might have high competition from any supermarkets such as Tesco and grocery stores that offer delivery service, and they might have advantage because of being familiar with consumers. Besides, the economic downturn also will be our threat, as it will affect our purchasing and spending power, and it will affect the charge that we will charge to our customer. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Nurul Hazira. So, I will explain on Porter 5 Force model of our business. The first threat is threat of new entrants. The entry barrier are quite low since newcomers start to send a high demand service from people. With all of the technology advancement, people start to make their life easier and depend on the delivery service rather than going out and buy themselves the groceries. Second factor is bargaining power of buyer. The bargaining power of buyer are low or medium since people can still buy on their own instead of using a delivery service. The third is bargaining power of supplier. The bargaining power of supplier is quite strong since we purchase readily raw material in the supermarket. Fourth is threat of substitute of product. The threat of substitute product is low to medium due to the nature of the service itself. There is no option for customer to not use the delivery service industry to get their groceries at their front house door unless they went out to the supermarket and buy for themselves. The last factor is the rivalry among existing competitors. The threat are high to medium since this kind of business has been introduced for a long time. Furthermore, during this pandemic COVID-19, we can see the intensity of the competitors. Some people will at first make this kind of delivery service as their part-time has started to focus on this business.
Hello, hi, my name is Humaira Shuhada binti Isnin. So I will proceed with the firm resources and sustainability competitive advantage. For the firm resources, we use tangible and intangible resources. For tangible resources, in terms of financial resources, we decide to use our own savings as our initial capital to start up our new business, which is groceries delivery service. The initial capital that we spend can be used to buy new, helmets, t-shirts for delivery runner, box storage, and other necessary things which is need for us to start our new business, which is groceries delivery. And for the physical resources, we really need motorcycles, which we decide to lease it from any banks, and we pay it through installment. So in terms of technology, we decide to use social media as our platform to boost up our marketing, to advertise heavily to our potential customer, so that our potential customer can easily arrive with our business. And for the intangible resources, we use human skills, which is we hired a runner or delivery man with capabilities to write and have license. And for the reputation, we promise to give the best groceries delivery service to our customer, so that our customer will put their trust and satisfied with our service. So in conclusion, with our vision to become the leading brand in the groceries delivery service business in Malaysia, we will ensure that our customer will get the best service when they are using our service, so that our business will become well known in Malaysia and will be trusted by others as well. In line with our mission, we will give the best food delivery service or groceries delivery service to our customer by helping them get fresh and high quality of grocery stuff, as well as we deliver to them as quickly as possible. Last but not least, we will ensure that our business can be sustained in the market by improve our service by time to time, such as in time management for our delivery runner and sending them for training to improve their customer service skills. With that, we believe that we can be sustained in the market and our business can be growth and we will be well known in Malaysia. And that's all from us. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Asmira binti Muhammad Fuzi. I will explain our entry strategy. For entry strategy, they have 3 types. Groceries delivery service is imitative new entry. So imitative new entry is an industry of product or service that capitalize proven market success and usually have a strong marketing orientation. We believe that food delivery service have a strong market success, especially when Malaysians face movement control order because of the COVID-19. That's very important to make our entry strategy efficient and effectively to build our brand name, grow and also grab the opportunity. Hence, we groceries delivery service take a strategy by using online platform to create the awareness and increase interest of our user to use our service. We will advertise across all the social media. For example, we use Instagram, Facebook and also Twitter. We will upload interesting picture of groceries, video that interesting, and we will create a short video explaining how customer can use our service. So we believe that online is a great and very effective platform to make our market and the strategy success.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zaid Sofia binti Nasuha. So I'll be explaining on our business level strategy. For our business level strategy, we are choosing focus strategy with a narrow target market. And our target market that we have chosen is people who has a busy lifestyles, housewife who do not have transport to go to the market, those who stay far away from the market, college students who do not have transportation to go to the market, and also those who lazy to drive to go to the market. And the area that we covered for our service is Shah Alam. And why we choose Shah Alam? As we all know, Shah Alam has a huge population, and most of the people that stay in Shah Alam is working people who do not have a time to go to the market as they already have a busy life. Besides that, Shah Alam is also known as a very congested place where there is always a traffic jam here and there, right? So we come into a conclusion by observing the situation in Shah Alam to create a business where they do not have to go to the market, they just need to order with us and we will deliver the service to their home. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.